Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Stay tuned if you want to see how I completed this look. Okay, so I already went ahead and did my eyebrows. I'm just going to take this shade Tipsy Girl out of my Jaclyn Hill X Morphe palette and place that in my transition area. I'm really making sure to pack that color on because I want the pink to show. Next, I'm going to take the shades Therapy Sesh and Not My Journey and place that below the pink shade Tipsy Girl. And once again, I'm making sure to pack this color on as well because I do want the purple to show. Next, I'll be cutting my crease with my P. Louise eyeshadow base in the number 0. And I'll be setting my eyelids with my NYX translucent powder. Next, I'll be taking the shade Playground and placing that towards my outer eyelid. Then I'm going to take the 2 purple shades, Therapy Sesh and Not My Journey, and place that in my mid eyelid. And going back in with Tipsy Girl, I'm going to place that on my inner to mid eyelid. And I'm going to take Flashback from my James Charles palette and place that in my inner eyelid to create an ombre effect. Next, I'm going to take my Milani Stay Put matte eyeliner in the shade 01 Black Matte. And I'm just going to line my eyelid. I'm not going to give myself a wing or anything. Then I'm going to take some mascara to prep my lashes for false lashes. And now I'm just going to apply my lashes. Moving on to foundation, I'm going to take my P. Louise eyeshadow base in the number 4. And I'm just going to conceal under my eye, on my chin, on my nose, on my forehead, and on my cupid's bow. Using my foundation stick by Juvia's Place in the shade Benin, I'm going to place that where contour and concealer do not belong. Taking my contour by Juvia's Place in the number 6, I'm going to contour my cheekbones. Now I'm just going to take my beauty blender and blend it all in. Now I'm going to take the shade Proud out of my Jaclyn Hill X Morphe palette and contour my nose. Next, I'm going to take my setting powder in the shade Gabi by Juvia's Place and set my face. Next, I'm going to take the shade Flashback out of my James Charles palette and place that on my inner under eye. Then I'm going to take the shade Tipsy Girl out of my Jaclyn Hill X Morphe palette and place that on my inner to mid under eye. Then I'm going to take the shades Not My Journey and Therapy Sesh and place that on my mid to outer under eye. And lastly, I'll be taking Playground and placing that on my outer under eye. Next, I'm going to line my waterline with my Maybelline Tattoo Studio eyeliner. Okay, and for my lips today, I'm going to do something different. I'm going to take my ColourPop Lippy Stick in the shade Glam Bag and just applying that all over my lips. I am also going to apply my Trendsetter lip liner and just line my lips just so I could tone down the pinkness a little bit because it is a little bright. And that is it for this look. I really do appreciate and love you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. I just want to say thank you for getting me to 130 subscribers. And stay tuned to see a little clip I put together for this look at the end.